Okay, so let's start how to fix this Rubik's Cube. Once again, that will be the white face because the middle is the color of the face. That will be the blue face, that will be the yellow face. This one will be the green face, red face, etc, etc. So first we want to do a white cross. So we look for the white face in the middle, so it's here. How to do the white cross? So we want to have white and red, white and green, white and orange, and white and blue. Okay? First one, easy case, when you have the white one facing down. So if it's not aligned with the color, let's say if it's like this, you've got white down the middle, white up, you just align the color like so. And then you've got white down, the right color, and you turn it twice. It's R2, right, twice. And then you have white, white, orange. That is correct. So that is good. Now we will have blue and white. So it should be blue, where is the blue? Here, blue and white. So how to do it? So this one should be here. So first you make it turn. So if you look at it, let's face it, it's front, and we want this piece to end up here. So what we'll do, we will turn the top one face right and turn the top again. That's how we will have the white and the blue. Now we have white and green, so green is here, should end up here. Once again, we will turn it so it is in the middle here. So it's pretty good. And we want this one to go up. So we'll turn it like this. So we've got 3 out of 4. Pretty good so far. White, 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 and good color. And then where is the last one? It's here. Okay. So for this one, we want this one to be here. So we can turn the top one, make it turn the right one. So now it's here, it's in the middle. And we want this one here. How to do so? We turn the top one and then the face one. And there you have your white color, white color, white color, white color. This is what we call the white cross. Don't worry about this corner yet, we just want to have a cross. Okay, now we have this white cross. We now want to have those corners done, and as said, for example, this one is not correct because we want to have orange and green. So what do we do here? We'll say this face is the bottom one. So we do right U prime, and now we have at least this one which is away, so this one is no fruit. Okay, so we're looking for the green and orange, this one. So we want green, orange and white to go down. If you're in this case, while it's facing you, what you do top right and top prime and right prime, and there you go, you have your corner. Same for this one, it's facing me, it should be blue and orange. So let's check, blue, orange. So this one should be here. So once it's like this, it is top, right, top prime, right prime. And there you go. You have your good corner here, and that was the first one we did. Good. Let's check where are the other ones. Oh, they're in the same case again, so now you know it. You see it is facing here. So once again, let's check if it's green and red. So it should be here. So facing us, top, right, top prime, right. And this one is again facing us. Okay, now it's just always the same case. You will start to know this one, top, right, top, down. Okay, so first that worked, but just in case if you don't have it in the facing you, let's say it is on the top, or it's like this, so, or on the top like that. Tack, tack, tack. Okay, if it's on the top, what you have to do, you want to put this one down. So you do right, top, right prime, and then you go here, and this one is not facing you, it's facing right. If it's facing right, you do right, top, right prime, and there you have your white face done, which is pretty good. First stage, good. Step 3, second layer. So this time we want to put our corners at the right spot. Okay, so for instance, blue and orange, blue and orange. So this one should go here. How to do so? So this is what you have to learn. If you want to go like this, you will do RU, RU, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R prime. What does it mean? It means this one, we want it here, so we'll do R, U, R, U, R, and now we do backward. U prime, R prime, U prime, R prime. And there you have it here. This one went here. That's perfect. Now what happens if you want to do backward? So if you want to do this one, you want to put it here. It's actually almost the same, but backward. It's R prime, U prime, R prime, U prime, R prime, U, R, U, R. Let's check it together. R prime, U prime means anti-clockwise, R prime, U prime, R prime. And then we do U, R, U, R. And there we go. We have our corner here. So we have 2, 1, 2. Let's keep going. Where is the next one? Oh, green and red here. So we align the green with the green, and we want the red to be here. So this one like this. So we'll do this one. Right anti-clockwise, up anti-clockwise, right anti-clockwise, up anti-clockwise, R prime, U, R, U, R. So let's try it. This is R prime, U prime, R prime, U prime, R prime, U, R, you are. And there you go. You see the green and the red. Done. Last one. Where is the last one? The last one is here. Okay, so we align green, orange, green, orange. So that means we want this one to go forward. So forward, we'll use this one. R, U, R, U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R prime. And there you go. You have your second layer done. In case you don't have it in the right spot, or you need to move one here, you just do one of them that you want to free. So if you understood that if you want this one here, you do this one. If you want this one here, you do this one. So if you need to free a spot or find a good one, now you have the trick. Good. Let's move on. Okay, so now we have our white face, first layer, second layer. We want the top yellow. Okay, how to do so? So if you're like me, you have nothing, you'll have to do those two ones. Okay, normally this one is for what we call the line. You'll see why. And this one is for L shape. So L shape is when you have kind of an L, and line is when you have a line. When you don't have any of this, like this one, then you do both of them. Front, right, top, upside, R prime, so right, counterclockwise, anti-clockwise, up, anti-clockwise, F, and up, anti-clockwise. So how to do so? You take any face, just the yellow on the top, and now you do front, right, up, right anti-clockwise, up anti-clockwise, front anti-clockwise. Now you see you have an L shape. Okay, so L shape will do the same, but this one, the small f, means you take two. So it is two of the front, right, up, right anti-clockwise, up anti-clockwise, and whoop, the two front anti-clockwise. And then you have normally a white cross. Okay, so where in the case we have 0 corner. Now this is what counts. It's either you have this one with 0 corner, you have your white cross with 2 corners, or 1 corner. Okay, the aim will be to reach this one. I'll show you how it works. So there we go for step 5. So you should now be in one of those cases, either a cross or 2 corners or kind of an arrow like this. What to do? Now in my case, I have the cross. That means I have 0 corner. In this case, I need to take one yellow face, could be this one or this one, any of it, and the yellow face should be on the left. If you have 2, your yellow face should be on this side. And if you have this shape, you should have the matching color here. Like for instance, if that face was green, you should have the green here. So in my case, I have 0 corner, so I am in this case, I need to have the yellow on the left, yellow on the left, and I will do this one. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. Here we go. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. Perfect. And now we are in this case with the kind of arrow pointing down. I've got the yellow face here, so we'll just turn it so my yellow color is here. And this is exactly what we want. We try to aim this one. As we're here, we do this one again. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. And there we go. We have our yellow face, and luckily we even have what we call the snake eyes. Oh, that's good. If you don't have the snake eyes, I will show you how to do it. But so far, you made great. You're close to the end. Okay, so there we are. Then we have the yellow face on the top. We have the orange here with the snake eyes that will make facing the rear. If you have, or if you have a complete face, should face the rear. Now we'll have to do this one. That one was the one I struggled the most with. R prime, F, R prime, B2, R. F prime, R prime, B2, R2. I just listened, I listened to this one as a song. R prime, F, R prime, B2, R. And then you'll see those ones. You'll start to recognize the colors. I'll show you. So let's do it. R prime, F, R prime, B2, R. Okay, there we go. Then we have to do F prime, R prime, and when I say you recognize the color, you'll always have this white yellow shape. B2, and you'll see that you've got a white light now. R2 or R prime 2, it's exactly the same. And now you have your snake eyes. If it doesn't work for the first time, just do it again and you'll see it will definitely work after 2, 3, maybe 4 attempts, but it will work. Now we can go to step 7. Okay, so now we have our snake eyes. And if you have one face done, then it should be at the rear. And now you'll do this one. R, U prime, R, U, R, U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R2. Sounds a lot, but actually it's not that much. R, U prime, R, U, R, U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R prime. 2. Oh, it's, yeah, R2 or R prime 2, it's the same. If it doesn't work from the first time, then that's perfect. Just do it again, and you'll see after 1, 2, maybe 3 times, it will definitely work. And as a small bonus, if you want, you can do R, left, if it works. Sorry, I made a mistake. It's bottom, top, bottom, front, sorry, rear, front, left, right, top, right, bottom. And then you have a little bit different if you want to. Whoop. If you want to, you're not supposed to, but that's just a small bonus if you want to give a small trick.